Thank you so much for joining me today. So we are looking at linear equations identifying the y and x intercept. Now I've drawn a basic graph over here, and I just want you to think about what the x-axis is. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So if we are thinking about our equation, and I would like to find the x-intercept, the first thing I need to think about, to get the x-intercept, y must be 0 to find where it is on the x-axis. And so if we are wanting to find the y-intercept, x must be 0 for it to be somewhere along the y-intercept. So with y equals 4 minus 2x, let's start with I want to find the x-intercept. So if we are thinking about the x-intercept, we need y to be right at this point here, which is at 0. So I'm going to change y to 0. 0 equals 4 take 2x. The next thing I would like to do is get x by itself. So what's the opposite of plus 4? Minus 4. So if I minus 4 on both sides, minus 4 and minus 4. And I'll rewrite. Negative 4 equals, 4 take 4 equals 0, so I've just got a negative 2x. Now I would like to get negative 2x scored and just have x there. So what's the opposite of times by negative 2? Divide by negative 2. So I'll divide by negative 2 on both sides. That tells me that x is going to equal 2. So that means here 1, 2. No, that is my intercept. Now let's have a look at the y-intercept. So y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we need to think about x is 0. So we can go up on that line. So again, I will fill this in. Y equals 4 take 2 times 0. Okay, now I can solve it. What's 2 times 0? 0. 4 take 0 is 0. So now that we're thinking about that, and now that we've solved that, I can tell that y is going to equal 4. So that means over here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and those are my 2 points. So if I can use those 2 points to draw my line. And I've just graphed my linear equations just by using the intercepts. Let's have a go at y equals 8 take 3x. Again, let's look at the x-intercept. To find out where it crosses the x-axis, y must be at 0. So that means if y is 0, 0 equals 8 take 3x, I want x to be by itself. So to start off, I'll get this 8 over to the opposite side. I do that by going, okay, positive 8. What's the opposite of positive 8? Minus 8. So minus 8 and minus 8. So now I've got negative 8 equals 8 take 8 is 0 equals negative 3x. Now I would like the x to be by itself. So what's the opposite of timesing by negative 3? Divide by negative 3. So then this side here will be dividing it by negative 3. So to think about it that way, the negatives will cancel out. 8 divided by 3 is 2 2 2/3 equals x. let's look at the y-intercept. Y-intercept. Again, for the y-intercept, we need x to be 0, so it's going up on the y-axis. So if x is 0, it's just y equals 8 take 3 times 0. We know 3 times 0 is just 0. 8 take 0 is 8. So y equals 8. And that tells us that I'm keeping going 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So y-intercept is 8. And I'm looking at my x-intercept, which is 2 2/3, which is here. And I can draw my line. So we can graph a linear equation by just using our y and x intercepts. I really hope that helps you have a better understanding of how to graph using y and x intercepts and also how to find them.